friends, I have an Amazon fashion and a little bit of beauty favorites coming your way today. I have really been just leaning into my summer style era. I know what I like, I know what I want to spend my money on, and the things that I'm going to share in this video are so good, and the beauty finds are insanely affordable. So I'll have everything numbered up on screen, linked in the description bar and comment section, and even a QR code right here. You can scan that to shop at any point in time, and we're gonna jump right in. This embroidered dress I am in love with, but as a 5'9" girly, I love wearing denim shorts under things like this because you could wear bloomers underneath it, but I feel like that still is trying as a tall girl to make it look like a dress. For me, I've just owned it. I'm like, listen, I love my long legs. They are what they are, but we're gonna wear denim shorts so that if you do end up seeing underneath the dress, you're like, oh, it's like a tunic. Like people would think it's a top on me. But if you are 5'7", 5'6" or shorter, this is gonna be a dress on you. It is an oversized fit. I'm wearing an extra small. I typically wear a true size small, and I just can't get enough of this. Like as soon as I saw it online, I was like, yep, nope. I need that, I need it right now. And when it came in, I've just fallen in love with it. And I already have it like in my head when Sam and I go on a date night next, like I know exactly how I'm styling this because it is so comfortable and lightweight and flowy, but still oversized in a fun, trendy way. So I love the sleeves. It washed and dried without shrinking at all. I just can't get enough of the color. The print is only on the front, but I could talk about this dress all day. It's just gorgeous. Now the chunky beaded necklaces, I actually have shared a few different kinds before, and I've said like, I love a good trend, but I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on something that I know isn't gonna be a longer piece in my wardrobe. So I love the chunky beaded necklaces that are under $10 like this one. And I do find multicolor necklaces are definitely what I'm gravitating towards because they just go with a lot more. You can get some solid colors that I have shared, but the multicolored really are my favorite. And I think they go with more. They style easier. So if you like that thick look, this is definitely a good option. I will share a thinner one in a later part of this video, but layering is my jam. I just love that this is under $10. The next one would be this Pavoi stacking ring. I like thicker pieces of jewelry a lot of times in the fall and winter because I just love a lot of jewelry. And so when I'm wearing long sleeves, you can't see my bracelets as much. So I like big, thick, chunky rings, but I got this one in before Prime Day, shared it on Prime Day, and you guys went crazy for it. Pavoi, it does not turn or tarnish. The only thing I will say is usually their stuff fits pretty true to size, and I think this one's a little bit on the bigger side just because of how it's designed. But they have a few different styles of this ring, and I just can't get enough of it. Like, I do really like the look of this thick, chunky ring, and I've been wearing it when I've been like wearing dresses and looking a little bit cuter for date nights. I'm really liking this one. Now this set I have in a billion colors. Like, realistically, it's more like 5 or 6, but I always want to share this because it just styles so easily. You can do a plain pair of flip-flops, plain set, you're good to go. Like you're cute, you know, little hair up in a clip, like that's it. Or you can wear a pair of really adorable sandals, throw on like a floral denim jacket, a beaded necklace, and this is gonna be a little bit more elevated for a cute lunch date. And the colors are just all so perfect. The color that you see online is what you get when it comes in, and it does fit oversized. So I recommend going with your true size or sizing down one if you are between, but you can't go wrong with any of them. I love this so much, clearly based on the fact that I own it in like 6 colors now. This Ruffle bikini I have also shared with you guys already, and I needed to share it again because I really have been floored. I feel like ruffles, anything that has the potential to make me look wider, I do not like, but I think this is just the most adorable swimsuit ever. The color is called Castle. So it is like a really fun, like pink and purple. It fits true to size, and I will say I was pretty impressed by the top. So I've gotten to a place where I pull out all of my pads out of my bikini tops and I wear cakes, which really stick to you when you sweat or get wet. So I will link those under, this is number 5. I will link those under number 5 as well. But this top is actually fairly thick to be a bikini top with a little triangle in it. So you could honestly pull that little like triangle bra thing. I hate that they include those in bikini. Like they're just pointless. You could honestly pull that out and wear it on its own, but I still prefer cakes. Oh, and this one does fit true to size as well. Now for the shoes, this is, I hope I explained this correctly. There is Bruno Marc that is kind of like the umbrella of a bunch of different brands. So you have Bruno Marc, and then underneath that umbrella, you have Dream Pairs, AllSwift, which I have talked about since like March. I love AllSwift. But under that same umbrella, you have Nordiv 8, I believe is how you say it. To me, these look exactly like AllSwift. So I don't quite know the difference between Nordiv 8 and AllSwift, but they're under the same umbrella. To me, they're essentially the same shoe. Look at this color. Look at this freaking color, you guys. I love this minty green. I have been wearing like, well, okay, so I coordinate all of my gym looks. And I don't know if I've ever really shared that, but I love to coordinate them and make them like super fun and on theme, like if it's a holiday or something. And I actually have a lot of gym clothes that are that mint green color. But I love that these are actually ties. So I do like the AllSwift slip-ons. They don't get loose at all. But I do know that sometimes you guys are looking for ties. And so I was like, I need to look and see if AllSwift has some. And that is how I found out about these. So if you are someone who you're like, I can't do the slip-on aspect, these have ties and they look exactly like Hoka's. I gotta put that down, it's throwing off the lighting. They look exactly like Hoka's, but they are a fraction of the price. They're just as comfortable. They fit true to size, just so cushioned. But I mean, listen, I have like 5 or 6 pairs of the AllSwift at this point. I have a coordination problem, and those I am so happy I added because I have a lot of that color in my gym stuff. Then number 7 is another pair of AllSwifts, but I couldn't say no to these. Again, the slip-on, these are a light pink color with white on the bottom and then black laces with a little lime green bottom. Now, one thing I love about AllSwift, and I'm sure Nordiv 8's exactly the same, they feel the same, is that these shoes are washable. So I really wear my shoes all the time, whether it's walking at night, going to the gym, out during the day. Like, I am always wearing them because they're so flippin' comfortable and they're like half the price of Hoka's. And so I just feel like I'm always wearing them, like it's something that I'm cool with spending my money on. But the fact that I know I can throw these in the washer and dryer and they're not gonna tear up is really important to me. So far, everything under the Bruno Marc umbrella brand, like I have found washes and dries well. It wears really well long-term, and just a really, really good price. You can get so many like look for less styles underneath that entire brand. And then we have slippers. I cannot stop with slippers. It's really an addiction at this point, but with slippers, you get a little hot during the spring and summer, and we have had a massive heat wave, and some of my favorite ones, they're just too hot. And I saw these and I was like, you know what? They're Farm Rio, which is a designer brand. But to be completely honest, some of the prices of these Amazon slippers, I'm like, you okay? That's a little crazy. And these like are comparable in price to a lot of slippers. But these are a lot thinner, a lot more lightweight. And I am wearing a 10 in these. I wear a true size 9.5, so I went up because I think they only had whole sizes. I will confirm that and put it in the description bar. But if you're looking for a very lightweight, just like breathable slipper, this is it. I can't do barefoot. It's just not the journey for me, guys. I can't do it. Now, I did mention necklaces in the beginning and I said I like to layer. I will link this gold Electric Pix necklace. It's not from Amazon. It's Electric Pix under number 9 as well. I've really been layering this one with like every necklace lately because I feel like the fact that it's a collar style necklace, it just looks so good with something that's a little more flowy. But I like the multicolored necklaces. There's actually a girl at my gym. Now she is a trainer. So for her, like getting up, putting makeup on and jewelry to go to the gym is very common, but she has like the perfect tan. She's stunning. And she wears a really colorful necklace with like all of her stuff. And she always looks so freaking cute. So I actually started doing that when I was wearing just like athleisure wear out with my kids. Immediately it dresses up an outfit and just makes it look like that much more stylish. So I've really been loving this one. Now into the beauty. Let me know if you guys are interested in a full video sharing all of the high maintenance things I do at home to stay low maintenance. I just genuinely don't have the time in my life right now to go out and get all of the beauty things done that I want to get done. I want to spend that time with my kids. They're only this little once. Yeah, summer's crazy, but I don't want to go sit for an hour and get my brows laminated. So I've been doing them at home, and I did try one brow lamination kit and I liked it. But man, when I tell you that one smelled so strong. I mean it. It was that like perm smell. And if you've ever smelled a perm, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So when I started talking about doing that, I started seeing this kit actually advertised on TikTok, and people are like, oh, they make Korean lash lifts and then the Korean brow lamination. So it's a little bit gentler. It doesn't have as harsh of a smell. I was like, let's try it. This thing is not only does not have as harsh of a smell, it is powerful. Like whenever you do your brows, you're gonna wanna make sure they are shaped and perfect and exactly how you want them, because they are not going anywhere. And I feel like with brow lamination, definitely you wake up a lot more put together. Same with like lash lifting, you know, you just wake up and look a little bit put together already. So you can add a little bit of SPF and go on about your day while still looking and feeling good, which is what I want. But anything that can cut down on like that just morning routine, I'm gonna do. This stuff is literally like super glue for your eyebrows in the best way possible. Oh, and I will add, I got the 5-pack to start. They do have some, I think they had one that was like a 40-pack or something. Like you can get a lot more. Each one is like one session and you can do them 2 weeks apart, but people on TikTok said every like 4 to 8 weeks is when they have to redo their brows. I'm gonna bet I'll probably need to redo mine about 4 to 5 weeks. So just start with a smaller number until you're sure this is what you want to do. Number 11, eating my own words here. You guys know I have no problem doing that. I have always been an Elemis cleansing balm girl. I think the cleansing balm is great. However, paying that much for a cleansing balm sometimes does just make me be like, okay, it's a cleansing balm. And I think, especially now, like you can't use an oil-based cleanser on your brows or lashes when you've had the lash lift, tint, lamination, anything like that. It just like, I'm like, I don't want to spend that much money for, like, I don't know. And so I thought, let's just try and find an affordable one. I saw that e.l.f. has one, so I was like, let's try it. I really like e.l.f. stuff. Y'all, I cannot believe I've been using an expensive cleansing balm all this time when this existed. And one of the things that I like about it is that it is hydrating. I have found over time as an oily skinned, oily haired girl that if you use something specifically designed for oily skin, oftentimes, especially when it comes to skincare, it strips your face of its natural oil, so then that produces more oil. This being hydrating, I swear to you, since I've started using this, I already have done a lot and really cut down on my oil control, like on my face. This, I'm telling you, this is the one thing that I changed. And I feel like my face does not get near as oily as it used to. And it is insane. And it is only since I started using this very affordable cleansing balm. The next one, and this is not sponsored by e.l.f., but if you are seeing this, I am your biggest fan, especially this. This is magic and I can't believe I've never tried it. So this is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in the color It's Giving Guava. I felt like this had a really good kind of orangey undertone. Since I did get my color analysis, I prefer that color. You guys, this is the most gorgeous lip oil ever. And I find with lip oils, a lot of times they don't last super long, or they smell weird, or like they clump up, and this is just not that. It's the most perfect formula ever. And I love a good fat dough applicator. Like this is just a big fat dough applicator and it goes on really easy. So super affordable. I love this color. And that is actually all I have on today. I put on a little bit of like a lip liner this morning, but never reapplied it. And that's all I've been wearing and I love it. And then finally, we do have the e.l.f. brow and lash like clear combo. So when it comes to brow lamination, lash lamination, this is something I actually didn't know. You oftentimes will still have to use some kind of gel or just something to kind of like shape your brows in place because they have been more or less like permed to stay in place, but you still have to shape them. I hope I explained that correctly, but I didn't necessarily want to add color. I wanted something clear. So I looked for a clear mascara, and that is how I stumbled upon this little set that actually is a brow gel as well as a clear mascara. e.l.f. knows brow gels. e.l.f. knows brow gels. And I have actually not had to use this since laminating my brows, but I love the clear mascara. I feel like it just pulls your lashes up and kind of like makes them stay all day without adding any additional mascara on. But this brow gel, if you don't want to laminate your brows at home, baby, these gonna make them look like they're laminated. It is so powerful. It comes in a 2-pack and it's under like $10. And that is it for the Amazon fashion and beauty finds. You guys, we're literally pushing into the middle of July. And that's weird. That's really weird for me to say because like Nordstrom sale is starting and the coverage for that means like fall is almost here and I'm not ready for it. But in terms of what I'm using, what I'm loving, what I'm spending my money on, it is these things. And I hope that you guys know, if you're new here or even if you're returning, like I am only gonna recommend something if I really love it. And I know sometimes people are like, oh my God, like all she does is talk about AllSwift sneakers, but I have 6 pairs of them. Like I want to spend my money on something that's good, that I'm gonna wear, that's gonna get use. And that is what this video is. So please click the subscribe button if you're new here. I have a really good Walmart video coming later this week. I know you guys are gonna love, and I'll see you in that one. Mwah.